trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
Now, just watch this backlift and watch the follow-through at the moment of impact. There you go. That'll do. I'm not quite sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective. Almost swung.